In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the belt bag in Lethal Company. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The belt bag allows you to store 15 items at once. You will be able to put them all inside of the bag and retrieve them at any point, and you can carry the bag with you. All it takes up is one of your inventory slots. So I'm going to teach you how to properly use it. You will be able to purchase it from the store, and usually it is going to cost 45. After you spend this amount of currency to get it, in order to use the belt bag, all that you have to do is place your crosshair at any items that you want to pick up. So highlight the belt bag on your inventory, look at any item that you want to grab, and all that you have to do is use the secondary usage button. By default, this is going to be Q. So while looking at a specific item, you press that specific button and you will pick it up. But instead of going into your inventory slot, it is going to go inside of the bag. So all that you have to do is press Q by default or any other button that you have customized, and the item is going to go inside of the bag. You can repeat this as many times as you wish with any eligible items, and all of them will be placed inside of the bag. Now, if you hold the bag and you press the left mouse button, you press the left mouse button, this will open the actual interface. So in this example here, I have some items that you can store, but it is going to have in total 15 slots. So as you can see, 3 rows of 5. So you will be able to store all of these slots with items and retrieve them at any point. To keep it simple, you look at an item while you have the belt bag selected and you press the button for usage, which should be Q. Once you press that button, the item is going to go inside of the bag, and if you hold the bag and press the left mouse button, you will be able to see the interface and all of its slots. You can retrieve the items from here by selecting them. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Belt Bag Lethal Company. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.